I never throw away tea bags. Not many people know that it has a hidden function that may surprise you. I'm sure you've never heard of it before, so I'm going to show you right now. First, prepare tea just as you normally do. Take the tea bag and place it in your cup, then pour hot water over it. Once the drink is ready, drink it, but don't throw the tea bag away. Set the tea bag aside and let it dry. It's best to gather a few used tea bags. This will make the trick I'm going to show you even more effective. Now it's time for the next step. Place the tea bags in the sink. Make sure to use the used ones, not fresh tea bags. Slowly pour hot water over the tea bags in the drain and leave them overnight. This will make the effect even better. In the morning, just remove the tea bags and throw them in the trash. You'll see that your drain will be clean and fresh. No unpleasant odors will come from it. This simple trick really works, and the best part is, it practically costs nothing. It's worth trying and seeing how well it works in your kitchen.